Hello everyone and welcome to ScalaHosting's YouTube channel. My name is Borislav and today I want to talk to you about WordPress. Now WordPress is the world's most widely used content management system, and a lot of its popularity is due to the fact that it's very easy to use. The dashboard is intuitively laid out and even complete novices get used to it very quickly. The problem is, when things do go wrong, inexperienced people don't really know what to do. And to help them out, we have a list of some of the most common issues that affect WordPress websites. And we've included some instructions on what you can do to troubleshoot them. So let's have a look. First of all, we have issues related to website performance. In this section, you will see all the different factors that affect your website speed and what you can do to optimize it. Further on, we have problems related to the contact form. Usually we're talking about errors in the configuration of either the contact form itself or the hosting server. Next up, we have plugin update issues. This is due to either the wrong PHP version or the wrong permissions on WordPress's folders. Further on, this section is dedicated to the so-called white screen of death. It's a relatively common problem with WordPress websites, and it could be caused by a number of different factors. You can learn all about it in this section. Errors establishing database connections are usually due to either problems in WordPress's configuration file or cyber attacks. Memory exhausted errors occur when a plugin is using way too much memory. More information on what you can do to fix the issues is available in this section. Under number 7, we have maximum execution time errors. These occur because a script is taking way too long to execute. Finally, we have internal server errors. Again, they could be caused by a number of different factors, and all of them are available in this section. The article is available via the link in the description. Make sure you check it out and share it on social media if you find it useful. And that's it from me. I'll see you next time.